Manage properties, bookings, payments, and maintenance from one powerful Odoo platform. Welcome to Access Technolabs Property Management.
Monitor your entire property business from one intelligent dashboard. With real-time insights. Create and organize unlimited property projects with complete flexibility. Organize buildings, floors, and units with a structured management system. Store every property detail in one place for faster access and better management. Track property availability in real time and never miss an opportunity. Manage every customer from inquiry to ownership with complete records. Allow customers to reserve properties online in just a few clicks.
Simplify the complete property sales process with automated workflows. Offer flexible installment plans while tracking every payment automatically. Generate invoices and receipts instantly, without manual work.
Handle maintenance efficiently with automated task assignment and tracking.
Monitor occupancy instantly to maximize property utilization. Display your properties online and let customers explore them anytime.
Generate detailed reports and gain valuable business insights instantly.
Export professional reports anytime for better decision-making. Automate every stage of your property business and eliminate repetitive manual tasks.
Transform your real estate business with the Odoo Property Management module by Access Technolabs. Streamline operations, boost productivity, and deliver exceptional customer experiences.